On to the award for Best Marketing Campaign, sponsored by Hitachi Finance. Marketing rewards are measured by the return on investment. These finalists have delivered incredible marketing campaigns, demonstrating innovation, creativity, and how to stand out in crowded marketplaces. Here are your finalists. It is The Shoe Room, Doncaster, Be More Social, and Ignito Limited. This is a great campaign with a clear example of how business impacted by COVID can not only adapt quickly to protect itself, but also at the same time provide such an amazing service to all its customers. Being bold and taking a risk, offering your free service has paid off, not only for you, but the thousands of people that joined your seminars as well. The impact this had on other businesses has been incredible. Guys, I can tell you, the winner is Be More Social, coached by John Atsquith. Now, I'll tell you what, they're happy. They're happy. And oh, they're spraying the champagne, look. How about that? Guys, congratulations.